I remember when we started Fino from a 1500 square feet. It gives me great pleasure to bring all the three offices.
I'm very much excited for relocating.
Sometimes we take it to the cafeteria where we have impromptu meetings and we enjoy a cup of tea. My anticipation for the new office is something like this, that it would be great if it were airy and there was natural light and spaciousness.
जब हम दूसरे ऑफिस में शिफ्ट होंगे तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि वही वार्म फीलिंग मुझे वहाँ पे भी मिले, वो घर जैसा एटमॉस्फेयर मुझे वहाँ पे भी मिले.
So definitely I'm going to miss my workplace. Like I used to sit along with my team.
The best part of this office was the Varli paintings that signifies our core domain.
We moved from one house to another. The new house brings in a lot of aspirations, lot of energy, lot of happiness all around.
So obviously very much excited because as far as I have seen, it is an open culture. I've heard about it, that it is having a beautiful sitting arrangement, and there are 2 floors which have been covered by Fino. And the best part is all departments are in the same building, same place.
So we are all waiting for that surprise.
Great welcome to all my fellow colleagues to their new home, to their new office. I remember when we started Fino from a 1500 square feet to 5,000 and now 50,000 square feet. This entire office, if you see, is built on a theme. A very, very modern office with all the good modern facilities with a very contemporary feeling.
So this thing started approximately 1 year back, wherein we started looking for a new office, and we finalized on the office which is nearby to our existing office. So we finally shortlisted this Mindspace Sahaja.
We brought the 7 chakras, which starts from the top of the head to the bottom of the spine. We all can bond together, we can all sit together, we can all eat together, we can have all fun together.
Our new home will bring in renewed energies and a renewed spirit in each one of us.
If you see the office is also divided into 7 different zones, 7 different colors, which have 7 different themes. Could be a wisdom theme, a creativity, a communication, insight, empathy, trust. So 7 different themes is where we get governed by in our lives, and the same we have put together in the bank.
There are a lot of collaborative areas and open spaces in this office.
We have finally moved to the new office. Very excited to be here. It's a great place, and yes, we got the garden we were hoping for. We've got a nice park view from that window which you can see over there. This is the entire Fino team sitting here. So this place is more than what we were hoping for. Extremely happy to be here.
Very happy to be part of this growing organization. Where from 10 to 12 people, we have the team of almost 5,000 plus people.
3 different offices coming back together and sitting in the same floor is something that I never thought that it might happen, but this happened. So I'm really happy.
Finally हम लोग आज न्यू ऑफिस में हैं और यहाँ पे मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, इतनी एक्साइटेड हूँ। अब मैं अपने चाय के साथ और अपने फ्रेंड के साथ कैफेटेरिया में बैठी हूँ। अब मुझे लग रहा है कि हाँ, मैं अपना पुराना घर छोड़ के मैं अपने नए घर में शिफ्ट हो गई हूँ।
So congratulations to each one of you to your new home. I hope the new office brings a lot of prosperity, happiness and health to each one of you and to your family, because this is where we spend maximum time. Thank you.